Hello everyone. If you've ever wondered how to handle form data smoothly and efficiently, you're in the right place. Today, we'll look at two great ways to manage input data in React. To give you a clearer picture, here's a working app. It has fields to enter first and last names. As you type in each field, the values are updated in real time. Now that we've seen the result, let's take a closer look at the code and see how it's done. First, we need to import the useState hook from React. This hook is a tool for adding state to functional components. Inside our component, we'll set to status parts, first name and last name. Each has its own useState hook. This approach maintains the state of each input separately and simplifies handling of individual inputs. Now we need some functions to handle changes to the input fields. These functions will update their respective state parts as we type. We'll create two functions, handleFirstName and handleLastName, to manage the state of our inputs. These functions are simple yet powerful. As you type into the first name field, the handleFirstName function captures the input and updates the first name state. Similarly, the handleLastName function listens for changes in the last name field and updates the last name state. In JSX, each input field has its own onChange handler that updates its state. Using this approach, you can view and manage the status of each input individually. In this section, we are dynamically displaying the user's input for the first and last names. We do this by embedding the values of first name and last name directly within a p tags. Ready to try something more advanced? Let's try combining all the input data into a single state object. This approach is powerful and provides clarity. Within your component, create a state object that contains all the input data. This object has properties for first name and last name. This approach makes it easier to manage as the number of fields grows because all input data is consolidated in one place. We then define a single handleChange function that updates the status based on the input field's name attribute. It takes an event object as a parameter, extracts the name and value from the event target, and then uses setUserData to update the state. The spread operator copies the existing state, and the specific field identified by name is updated with the new value. In JSX, each input field has a name attribute that matches a key in the object. The handleChange function ensures that the status is updated correctly as you type. This approach is more scalable and is especially useful when working with a large number of input fields. Both approaches produce the same result in the browser. The main difference is in how the state is managed. The first approach uses separate state variables for each input field, which is simple and easy. The second approach combines all input data into a single state object, which is more scalable and makes it easier to manage multiple inputs. And that's it. We've covered two great ways to handle input data in React. Once you've mastered these techniques, your React forms will become incredibly powerful and easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.